Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of attention-grabbing media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
Let's have AI help us draw a marketing plan. We actually went really simple because we wanted to show you the possibilities. Just so you know, this can get really deep if you want to go really deep, or if you consider yourself a genius and you want to get the most of it, you're going to go next level with it. So let me show you some of these basics, okay? So this is ChatGPT right here. Write a marketing strategy for my natural skincare business that's only available on Amazon. Simple request. Very simple request. I can say things like, my target demographic is ages 27 to 35, and it's only females. And I want to target people that are in the United States of America and people that are interested in natural, sensitive skin ingredients. And they want to stay away from the chemicals. The more specific you get, the better the response it will give you, always. But if you see here, it already gave me a breakdown of the steps on how to win in the game of business. It gave me already 7 steps. So it is that intelligent. It is a marketing mind that's gonna be able to give you more data. So let's see number 1 here. It wants me to define your target audience, identify who your ideal customers are, what their needs and pain points are, and how your natural skincare products can solve their problems. You know what I can do now? I can say, can you please give me specifically for this particular brand and business, this product that I'm trying to sell, who is my target audience? Just like that. It is going to give you data that is using from the world of the internet to tell you exactly who is buying your stuff. So let's see what it says. Help me define who my target audience is. I sell natural skincare products. I think most of the people that buy my products are women in their 30s, 50s. Please include what their pain points might be so I can have a complete written description of my target audience. And again, this is a very broad. You can go very specific on this. You can go in there and get inspired. So based on the information you provided, your target audience appears to be women in their 30s to 50s who are interested in natural skincare products. Here's some more detailed description of your target audience and the pain points. Demographics, likely to be educated and have disposable income, maybe working professionals or stay-at-home mothers, maybe interested in eco-friendly and sustainable products. Psychographics, concerned about the health of their skin, interested in natural and organic skincare products. Whoa, I'm not gonna read all of it. Pain points, difficulty finding natural skincare products that are effective. So what do you do with this? You use it in your messaging, all right? And you're gonna see exactly how we do that in a second. By understanding your target audience pain points, you can tailor your marketing messages to address their specific concerns and position your natural skincare products as a solution to their skincare needs. Okay, so how do we optimize a listing, for example, on the Amazon side of things? Again, this is applicable in the same way to a website, to your own e-commerce site, to a page in which you're trying to generate leads and prospects, to your social media, to everything. Think about it this way. If you want to create social media posts, you can say, make me 10 social media posts using this target demographic to promote my skincare products and even include a discount of 10% on their first order. Unlimited is what you can do with it. Only limited by your creativity. Let's see what this one does over here. So now it's educating me, right? Create a checklist on how to fully optimize an Amazon listing. Okay, here's a checklist. Relevant keywords. Okay, got it. So what do you think I should do? Ask for the keywords, all right? Give me the top 100 keywords that people are searching for more in Google or on the internet that I need to be using on my listings. How long would that take you? Unless you had a tool like this. It would take a while, right? And not only that, you're guessing what you think is the correct keyword, right? Yeah, there's tools like Amazon has had things like Helium-10 and Managed by Stats and all these tools for a long time. But still, it's not the data that's being fed to you by this machine that can calculate things at a speed that no human and no other software or program could ever calculate, all right? So by following this checklist, you can fully optimize your Amazon listing and increase your product's visibility, ranking, and sales. Every single one of these points, 1 to 8, the platform will tell you exactly what to put in it. It will answer for you. That's where the human element comes in, because you can actually use your own intellectual ability and your own passion for your own products and service to humanize it. You can totally humanize whatever is coming out of it. And that's your part, but you're already way ahead of the game. You don't have to start the marathon in mile 1. You start in mile 15, 18, 20, right? Off you go because you got these tools, right? That's how you become more effective. So description on Amazon, it knows exactly the character length. By the way, you can actually give it instructions on that. Can you help me create an Amazon listing description for an 8-ounce vitamin C serum? And then give it a bit more information. Just like that, bullet points And look at the product description, directions for use. Wow, right? Wow. I mean, please, are we going to complain about the end of the world because AI is going to take over? Or are we going to do something about it so we can actually accomplish our dreams and goals a little bit faster or a lot faster, right? It even ends with a call to action. Order now and discover the power of vitamin C for youthful looking skin. It gives me goosebumps. What about content creation? This is one of the things that I'm really excited about, right? So please give me a week's worth of social media content ideas for my vitamin C serum with captions and hashtags. Here's some ideas for a week's worth. And then what do you do with the vitamin C serum, right? You grab that vitamin C serum, you go to DALL-E or you go to Midjourney and you ask it to make you some images of your vitamin C serum. And now you have content.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.